Namaste. Welcome to FitShala with Molly. Today I'm going to teach you basic Surya Namaskar. So before moving forward to the practice, let us know what Surya Namaskar actually is. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a practice to rise the sun within you, the energy within you. It includes of 7 different asanas composed in a sequence of 12. It prepares your body for further asanas or any other workout, as well as is a complete exercise in itself, usually being practiced both during sunrise and sunset. So now let's know the benefits and contraindications of it. Step number 1, come in front of your mats, your legs close to each other, adopt Namaskar Mudra, keep your eyes closed. Step number 2, inhale, raise your arms, arch back. Step number 3, with exhalation, bend forward, place your arms on either side of your feet, make sure your knees are straight. Step number 4, with inhalation, take your right leg back, push your buttocks down, look front. Step number 5, exhale, take your left leg back, come to plank position, knees straight, core tight, look front. Step number 6, inhale, keep your knees down, exhale, chin down, make sure your hips and your chest are off the ground. Step number 7, inhale, come to upward facing dog without moving your palms and your feet. Make sure your knees are not touching the ground, look up. Step number 8, exhale, come to mountain pose, place your heels on the ground. Step number 9, with inhalation, bring your right leg forward, push your buttocks down, go front. Step number 10, with exhalation, bring your left leg forward, close to your right leg, don't bend your knees. Step number 11, with inhalation, come up, arch back. Step number 12, adopt Namaskar Mudra.